everybody! Welcome to the 2022 YouTube Creator Rendezvous. As you can see, we're touring the camping area via the drone. The YouTube Rendezvous will take place May 20th through May 22nd. We're flying up to this sign here currently. This sign is our sponsors from last year for the giveaways. Once I get it focused here, you'll be able to see them. A bunch of great channels. They provided a lot of stuff for the giveaways, and they're amazing, so check them out. Okay, so as you can see, there's still snow on the ground here. That will be changed. The field will be mowed, and it'll look beautiful. So, there's plenty of room for camping. If you don't want to camp, there's hotels nearby. And this sign here is the people in attendance from last year. So we will be having the main day will be Saturday. On Saturday, I'm going to post right here in a second the entire schedule for Saturday. It may change a little bit. Gio and I got together yesterday and talked about a good timeline for Saturday. So if people are traveling just to come for Saturday, you guys can see. So let's take a look at what Saturday looks like. Alright guys, this is what Saturday is going to look like. Here's a rough schedule of what will be going down on the main day. So pause the screen, take a look. We'll get back to the drone. Okay guys, as we head up towards the main fire ring, you can see the pavilion there. That camper will be moved. All the food, the grills, the prizes, everything will be under that. We'll have plastic tables all over the place, some more pop-up canopies. As you can see, we have no electricity out at the pond, so be prepared charging your devices. Also, there is an outhouse behind that pavilion. So as you can see, the pond here, great fishing. Lots of stuff to do. Kids are welcome. Kids will have a blast. Up beside the fire ring, we got a little kids area, zip line, and some fun things, some climbing ropes. But as you can see right here, we'll have a couple pop-ups up, and there's the view. Okay guys, to touch on the giveaways real quick. Last year was absolutely amazing. Everyone that donated, thank you so much. You put a smile on all the kids' faces. So this year, Geo Outdoors, myself, and Boxy Outdoors will be keeping track of the stuff that we get for the giveaways. Boxy, he goes live on Sunday nights at 8 p.m. He talks to a ton of people. So we will keep in touch and get a list of everything that we have. If you would like to donate something, you can hit me up on Facebook. We have a Facebook page, Freezerbound Outdoors, or you can hit up Boxy or Geo Outdoors, and we will stay in contact from now until the rendezvous. As you can see, I almost hit myself with the drone there, which would have scarred that beautiful bald head. And we are going to get into the food. Alright guys, this event will be BYOB. The wife and I talked, and Gio, we all decided that the best route to go is to bring one of these small metal pans, the one on the right there. They're super easy to heat up on the grill if you're going to bring something hot. Makes it easy to throw everything on the grill, heat it all up at once. We'll have a couple grills going, and come up with some crazy stuff.
This is the grizzly bear.
I wish that line was sturdy enough that we could sit on it.
This is the lion, and we're freezing around outdoors. And we'll go. You want to?
Yeah.
All right. It's on, right, Nick? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm Adam.
I'm Joe.
This is Freezerbound Outdoors.
I'm Nick.
Nick's there. He just
We gotta start that over.
he's just waved with his knob. That's amazing. Hey guys, I'm Adam.
I'm Joe.
This is Freezer Bound Outdoors. This is the YouTube Rendezvous weekend.
There it is. Ooh. You see the gold?
Is it there?
You see it?
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna grab that. Ready? Now tilt it down in the water. Get all that stuff out of there.
Oh, they each just had a good spark.
Oh!
Are you kidding me? There it went.
Dark
Bossy
30
got
Outdoors, you
developed
had it, bud.
Fire.
You had it.
There goes the goat, man.
Okay.
Alright.
So we got 3, 2, 1, go.
That is beautiful.
Oh, those are like big fellas.
You guys a little setup here. Check this grill out. We got some venison burgers going. We got all kinds of food here. Say hi, Renee. We got the prize table here. The fire's blaring in the middle of the hot day. But right now we got Boxy Outdoors here. We got Nicholas Green here. We got Geo Bushcraft is sneaking through the woods. Geo, did you catch anything, bud? And the weird thing is, every adult male here has camo shorts on.
I went for the top, I'm the only thing now.
Yeah. 277. That's probably close.
I bet.
Yeah. Boxy, what kind of bow are you shooting here, bud?
This is an Obsession bow, Nightmare, 2013, set at 60 pound. It's an old man's bow. We're going to shoot higher than 277.
Oh, we're shooting higher than 277.
I have no clue.
So right here? Yeah, about right there.
Woo! Where'd I go? 310.
310.
Where'd it go though?
Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Yep. That's not the right score.
I got
Didn't even touch, huh? Camera, so.